What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to customize the 404 or the 404 page, the page not found template that your WordPress website have. Okay, so let me show you one example. This is the full WordPress page not found template. As you can see, nothing special. You have the search, the content. Normally, if you use some premium theme like one of the Visual Modo themes, you can customize the 404 template. Okay, however, there is themes, especially free themes, that does not offer this template, and even if this offer, you cannot customize. And we're gonna learn how to customize this page independently of the theme that you are using for free into this video. So please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, templates, and everything in order to use internet on your site's favor, okay? Here is a good example of a page not found template, okay? This is the Amazon page not found templates, and every time that you refresh it, you can see a new dog's figure. That is the pets of the Amazon employees. Okay, so let's start on the WordPress. First of all, go to our WordPress dashboard. We always like to start the videos on the dashboard so we can make it equal for everyone. And from the left sidebar of menus, we're gonna move our mouse over plugins. Okay, and once on plugins, click on add new. Now at the upper right corner, we're gonna type into the search plugins 404. Let's scroll it down just a little bit until we can find this plugin right here, Smart Custom 404 page. Okay? In my case, the plugin is already installed and activated. However, on yours, if not, you're gonna click on install, just like this, and after this, click on activate button. Okay? So let's show you. We're gonna click on install. After this, we're gonna click on activate button, and this gonna redirect us to the WordPress plugins list, where we can see a list of all of the WordPress currently installed plugins. Now, what is the next step? We're gonna need to create our custom 404 page. So go to our WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar of menus, hover our mouse over page and click on add new. Okay, and right here the possibilities are almost unlimited. 404 page. I'm gonna create just one example right here. Okay, we can, for example, apply some image, some template. Let me grab this text. Just remember that the content, it's fully up to you. Okay, you can type anything, or even you can use the design library, the Elementor page builder to customize the page. You can apply some image, for example. So let me choose some layout right here. I would like to start with some columns, and into the very first column I would like to apply the search bar. Into the second column, I would like to apply the latest post block. And from the third column, I would like to apply maybe a pages list. But it's up to you, okay? You can, for example, between those two elements, apply some image from your gallery, some special image about 404 page. Let me check if I have something to this gallery. Nah. No problem, I think this image is good. Let me publish this page. Let's view the page. And this gonna be my new 404 page template. Can we customize this a little bit? Of course we can customize this a little bit. We can use the Elementor, for example, to place this image as a background of this content, to change the content style. Everything you want, it's possible, okay? But for now, this is gonna serve as an example page. After the page already customized, created and saved, we're gonna move to our page list. Let's go back to the page list. And once again, from the left side of menus, we're gonna scroll down until you can find the appearance, hover or mouse over the appearance tab and click on 404 your page, okay? Now, as you can see, it's none, the options we have. However, here is our new created page. Click right here, click on Save Change. And now, if anyone hits a 404 page on our site, gonna be into this page right here. Simple, easy and effective. We can test the page from here, or we can move to the Advanced tab so we can see some switches to change some options. For example, hide the selected page from the page list, send and 404 error if the page is associated with direct its URL, force 404 error after loading page, disable URL authentication guessing, send an HTTP 410 error instead of HTTP 404, always send the error for HTTP, activate compatibility mode. This is good in the case that your theme presents some error, okay? And they have some video tutorials explaining more about their plugins, okay? So for this, it's all. It's simple, it's easy to use, it's nothing hard to do, okay? You can do yourself without any problem, and you can customize the page even to create a page like this one from Amazon, okay? So let's finish it up, but before, I would like to recommend our Borderless WordPress plugin, okay, in order to gain more widgets, elements, templates and tools for our WordPress Elementor and Gutenberg editor, and even pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of an amazing free WordPress theme with full customization options, search templates, SEO templates, pre-built websites that you can import with a single click as well, just go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new and search for Enzo WordPress theme. Okay, this is the best free WordPress theme that you can download, I can assure you of this. And as a final note, in the case that you are in needs of your website, sales page or landing page up and running faster, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass product and go pro, so you can choose from unlimited or almost unlimited pre-built websites, sections, pages, templates, premium icons, amazing image, and count on our full support while doing your site. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!